undo those two little bolts. Lefty loosey, righty tidy.
That's what he
When you're using these, you got to make sure that you get it right buried in. Because if you're like this, you'll strip it, and you don't need to unloosen it right off. Other way. Stop. Stop. See if this moves around. So that moves around now. Right. You're gonna have to. You spin the wheel and you press the back brake.
Me?
Yeah.
Am I spinning on brake?
No, you're pressing the brake.
Yeah.
Just because. Right, not yet. Right, spin the wheel. Press the brake. Right, now tighten those back up.
Keep holding it.
Yeah, don't let it move.
So that's how you do it. You loosen it, spin the wheel, brake, and then
Sometimes you have to do it manually because it won't sit straight. That's the basis of doing it. Let the brake off.